What's up lovely people, this is nijohn. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday video. So in today's video we will talk with all the motovloggers, especially who are new motovloggers. So if motorcycle is your niche and you want to grow on YouTube by making video on this motorcycle niche, then do not skip this video, watch till the end. I am definitely sure this video is going to help you to grow on YouTube. Keep watching. Alright, so if motorcycle is your niche and you are passionate about motorcycle and riding motorcycle, then this is a very wonderful niche where you can create a lot of videos and grow on YouTube. If you are a biker, if you are a motorcycle enthusiast, and if you are a motorcycle rider, traveler, so the very first thing that you need to focus on is your own safety. To amend the world, you first have to amend yourself. So as a biker you have to be ready. It's like when you want to be a biker, there are safety things that you have to first keep in mind. First prepare yourself to become a very good biker. It's like you need to have a very good full face helmet. You need to have a riding jacket with armors. You need to wear riding pant or knee guard, and avoid wearing all those fancy Puma shoes. Have a riding boot or at least some tough shoe which will protect your leg when you are riding. So these are all the few basic things as a sensible biker you have to be ready with. So do not compromise on the safety part. Make yourself a complete biker. Make yourself ready, get all the safety gear, be a sensible rider, and then start making content. Because when you are on YouTube, you are influencing others. People will learn from you. Even if you have 5 people who are following you on YouTube, they will learn by seeing your activities. So influence them in a right way. Never compromise on the safety gear. Now coming to the content type. So you are a passionate motorcycle traveler, you are a biker, you are very passionate about motorcycles. So what you have so many options to create content about. It's like if you are about to buy a new bike, you will be going to a lot of showroom and you will take test ride. So you can create video about all this test ride experience, right? So example, you want to buy adventure motorcycle, a mid-range adventure motorcycle. So what all options you have? So you might be taking test ride of BMW 310. You might be taking test ride of Himalayan, X-Pulse, 390 ADV. So each bike, whatever experience that you are having after the test ride, you can make video out of that, right? And end of the day, say example, you have picked up now 390 adventure. So there will be certain reasons that you got that bike, right? So make video about all this topic, like after taking test ride of all the other bikes, why I have selected 390 adventure. So this will help all the other bikers who are confused about what bike to buy. So it is like, be yourself. You don't have to think about which is right, which is wrong. Whatever. And being a biker, whatever you feel that this is what is making sense to me, share that. Let audience decide whether it is making sense to them or not making sense to them. So never be scared of expressing yourself. We might not be always right. Sometimes the decision we will take might be wrong, but that's all right. That is how we will learn and develop, right? So be yourself, express yourself, whatever you felt, whatever ideas you have in mind, the reason behind picking up a particular bike, what all things attracted you towards that bike. Be bold to share confidently with the audience through this YouTube platform. So this is the thing. And then when you have that bike, with that bike you will have a lot of experience, right? You will be having first service after 1,000 kilometers. So how the first service went, were you happy with the service? So share that experience, how much the first service cost, then second service, third service, all damn experience that you are having on that motorcycle. You can make video out of all this. And then coming to the riding part, which is the most interesting part. So being a biker, you will be exploring a lot of new places. You will be riding to, if you are an off-road lover, you will be going to so many amazing places. Make video out of that. Express yourself, like how your bike was performing on the off-road, how your bike performs on the highway, how your bike performs on the ghat road. So there are so many topics. Now again, maybe you want to do some modification on your motorcycle, like that, which modification is actually required, like some functional modification. So maybe you are adding extra aux light. Now, which brand you selected? What is the reason? Is it your budget? Is it that like a particular brand that you are in love with? So share all this experience. Like what kind of accessories you added on a motorcycle? You might be adding a hand riser, accessories. You might be adding handguard. So many things, right? So you can make video out of all this. And other than this, if you are going for a long ride, so how you are managing your luggage, like if you are using some tank bag, what branded tank bag you are using, and why you have picked up that branded tank bag. There are so many options in the market right now. The more option we are getting in the market, the more confusion is also there. So if you share your view, this will help other bikers to take decision. So this is one thing. And then if you're riding with pillion, so how was the pillion comfort? Record their feedback, make a nice video, like okay, you were able to do a good off-road ride with pillion had no complaint, or pillion was not comfortable. So you have to share the all damn experience that you are having on that motorcycle, right? Then if you had a fall, if you had some damage on the motorcycle, how insurance people have dealt with that, what those insurance people were really helpful or not, what was the process to get this insurance done. So many topics, just keeping that bike in the center, right? So this video is a very short video that I wanted to make to guide all these beginner motovloggers. Start exploring new places, introduce all these places to the audience. People will love your content and you will definitely grow on YouTube. Since it is a biking that we are talking about, so safety is something you never can compromise. Always emphasize on safety, guide others to buy right set of safety gear. Now after doing a lot of research, you might be going with different type of helmet, jacket, gloves, knee guard, shoes. So all these gear you purchased, you did some research, so you gained some experience. Share with others. Audience are looking for this information. So if you can make video which is others are searching for, that videos will get more views and your channel will get more traction, and there is a huge chance that you will grow on YouTube. So this is what I quickly wanted to just convey to all the new motovloggers, that do not give up. If you are on YouTube, work hard, and if motorcycle is your niche, you are having a very good option to grow. So make video of every damn experience that you are having on that motorcycle. So hope this small video helps all the motovloggers. This tutorial Tuesday, I wanted to just give little gain to all my friends who are watching this video who are motovloggers, and hope that you find this useful. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Let's have the conversation there. I will try to help you to understand how this YouTube platform works and how you should start making video. So that's all, my friend. Nothing much to say here. As you are a biker, always ride safe and always wear full set of gear, and never race on the public road. If you love racing, go to the race track, show your skill there, not on a public road. All right, so thank you once again. Be safe, ride long, and keep making videos. And if you like this video, do not forget to click on that like button. If you have to say something, comment on this video, and if you think that this video will help your friends, share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. That is what is the fuel for YouTubers, so I don't have to say anything new, so that how it works. So if you want to support any creator, a bit of like, comment, subscribing to their channel, this is the great way you can support a creator on YouTube. So thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Hope this was helpful. So until next time, you keep riding and keep making video. Cheers.